Exploring boundaries. The meaning of testing the limits. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, testing the limits. This phrase is widely used in both everyday conversations and professional contexts. By understanding it, you'll not only expand your vocabulary but also grasp how to use it appropriately in various scenarios. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together and unlock the essence of testing the limits. Testing the limits refers to pushing boundaries or exploring the extents of what is possible or allowable. This phrase can be applied in multiple contexts, from physical and mental endurance to social and legal boundaries. It's about finding out how far something or someone can go before reaching a breaking point or a limit. The importance of this phrase lies in its versatility and applicability in encouraging exploration and growth. In our daily lives, testing the limits can manifest in various forms. For instance, an athlete might test their limits by pushing through intense training to achieve a personal best. Similarly, in a professional setting, a team might test the limits of their creativity and efficiency to deliver an innovative project under tight deadlines. These examples highlight the phrase's role in motivation and self-improvement. When we talk about testing the limits in social and ethical contexts, the phrase takes on a nuanced meaning. It might involve challenging societal norms or questioning legal boundaries to bring about change. However, it's crucial to understand that testing the limits in such scenarios requires responsibility and awareness of potential consequences. It's about finding balance and pushing for progress while being mindful of the broader impact. Using testing the limits in conversations shows a depth of understanding and expression. You can say, "I'm testing the limits of my abilities by learning a new language." Or, in a discussion about social change, you might argue, "Society often progresses when individuals or groups are willing to test the limits of what is considered acceptable." These examples illustrate the phrase's power to convey ambition, challenge, and growth. Understanding and using the phrase, testing the limits, enriches your language skills and enables you to articulate complex ideas about exploration, challenges, and boundaries. We hope this video has helped you grasp the meaning and applications of this versatile phrase. Keep testing the limits of your English learning journey, and thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video.